Hey guys, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you live from the Week to Wicked set. And here we are later in the day. This is day 4. And as you can see, some progress has been made. We got some taillights in. The guys are working on putting on the Danchuk rear smoothie bumper. We got the license plate on, and it's really coming together. TMI has been working on the interior, and things been motoring right along. That's all right, you're fine. And let's take a look and see what they've got going on here. Here's the door panels. Just check those out, how they look on the sedan door frames there. That's just really something else there. So let's just take a look inside. They've kind of come along. They got the dash pad in there. Just check that beauty out. And they're working over here, getting the rear seat in with the center console in. Things are looking good and really coming along. So really getting exciting here. We're getting close to that final day here. Come around here, doing a little bit more what will eventually be under the hood. Looks like they're getting the plug wires in there and such. Come around here. Don't want to walk in this guy's shot. Let's let Vern work there. Looks like they got the splash pan in. They're kind of tying it into the front inner fenders. Coming along really good here. From another angle here, we'll come here and take in here and see what the guys are doing here. Really looking nice and tight. Just really a beauty. Loving the interior, guys. TMI just knocking it out of the park. The guys are prepping the paint so they don't scratch it. And it looks like Aaron's coming around to put the
basically all your
they're taking that precaution so they don't damage the paint when they put the bumper up. And then they're going to put the back body to bumper seal there. Anyways, we're getting some kind of weird effects here from the phone. Maybe I touched something I wasn't aware of. Anyways, we'll come back to you guys here in just a few minutes. That's the latest from the late part of day 4 of Week to Wicked.